Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing power and a backup. That protects you while changing controls. Open Settings now because you'll switch inputs and enable virtual controls immediately. If you're on iOS, tap Accessibility. On Android, look for Accessibility or System. Use a stylus or a clean, dry finger to avoid missteps. Once done, make sure Bluetooth is off to keep input predictable. You're preparing the device so virtual controls behave reliably and you don't trigger unintended actions. Now you turn on the software substitute for the home button so you can navigate without hardware. On iOS, enable Assistive Touch. On Android, enable the assistive menu or interaction controls. This creates a floating button. Customize the menu to include home, lock screen, and screenshot so common tasks require a single tap. Once added, practice tapping the virtual home and returning to the home screen. This replaces the broken button and preserves muscle memory while you choose a permanent fix. Finish by integrating gestures and voice controls so you rely less on the broken button. Learn swipe-up gestures and multi-finger navigation for recent apps and home actions. Enable voice control or Google Assistant for voice-driven commands. If the virtual button lags, reboot, close background apps, and check for OS updates to reduce latency. If problems persist, seek a professional repair or use voice commands as a temporary workaround. One troubleshooting tip: rebooting often clears transient glitches and restores responsiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.